Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set subscribe on a video using CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video or picture. Now search for sticker. From here you can find your subscribe option. Or if you can't able to find, you can search from here. You can choose one of them. That's it. So this is how to set subscribe on a video using CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.